Today we're getting ready to cut this beast into multiple pieces, and I've got help from my buddy. Hey. Hey. Bonjour! I'm at a different location this morning. This is not my place. This used to be a restaurant in Greece, an abandoned restaurant, and I've got the permission to come here and take whatever I like. Basically, my buddy Jerome has the key, the official keys, and we came here last night in the dark, and I intended to buy some wood, which I desperately need to continue working in my kitchen. And I came here and I looked up and I was like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I need all of this. I've got more than enough wood down here. I should have brought my mask because it's very dusty, but it only took me like 15 to 20 minutes, and I found a ping pong ball. That was a good start. I'm going to be back later in the day with better material. I need a mask as well and some light.
Donc une petite humeur car les animaux après on se dit waouh. Ils étaient déjà prêts, mais nous on soit encore plus prêts. Et puis là en plus on a un gouvernement qui coûte absolument plus là.
It's past 7 o'clock, I'm back in the attic. It's a very spooky situation, but nevertheless I'm gonna get started with all the wood I'm gonna take up here, and I will not finish because I'm really tired. I haven't stopped working today. I was busy all day long. I'm gonna abandon this project for now. All the rest of those, they have to wait a bit. I'm gonna be back, but not tonight.